Welcome to the Science Lab, second graders. This week we've been talking about from seed to plant. You're going to plant a lima bean in a little container. There's the Sharpies there for you to write your name on your container. You're going to scoop a little, not a lot, of soil. Place your lima bean in the center, and you're going to give it a little bit of water. A little, not a lot, maybe one small squirt or two little squirts. A little, not a lot, and you're going to be careful not to make a mess. Over at another center table, we've got a matching game where you sequence from seed to plant, and when you're finished there's a cheat sheet, but don't flip it over until you've completed it. And you can also observe the pistil and the stamen and of a flower that has bloomed. And at another table we have a paper pencil activity. You're making a sprouting bean book. This is your own book. There are pencils and scissors for you to cut it out if you'd like to, and you can make it into the shape of a bean. When you open it up, you're going to see there are several pages. The first one says, "A bean seed will soon grow and become a bean plant." It says this is a seed. You do not need to copy "this is a seed." Tell something you observe about this seed. You could say it has a hard seed coat. You could say something about the shape and the texture, but give a description of it. Don't just copy what it says. On this one it says a root grows down first, or it says a root grows first. You could add how the root is growing down. So tell something you observe. Don't copy the handwriting. And at another table we have another sequence, but this time you're sequencing with stamps. There will be a stamp pad for you, so you can put them in order of the from seed to plant stages. And if you finish that early, there's another sequencing on the back of your paper that you're going to use your stamps on. And you do not need to cut this out. You can just label 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see that this one you put a 1 on. Then you do the rest of the sequencing. And you'll notice there are 2 blank pages. You could just put an X over those. And teachers, you may also like to read another book that you didn't get to last week. There'll be books on the board for you. Enjoy your time in the Science Lab.